So it's Christmas Eve now, and I have just been and picked up the ty80. So I got all the panels done, everything painted. The customer said, I'll come and pick them up, I'll square you up, I'll take them away, get the bike built up, and then you can just come and pick it up and do a video to show everyone on your YouTube channel what it looks like now it's complete. So I've been and picked the bike up, I've now got it in the workshop, and this is what it looks like. Look at that. Absolute dream bike, that, as a child. I'd have loved one of these. So credit to the customer for all his hard work on the bike. Belongs to a friend of mine actually, c.a.h, and he had one of these when he was a young lad. He got one, I don't know if he got it for Christmas or what, but he actually said this morning to me that when he got it, he said he stood there for about 5 seconds just staring at it, speechless. So I think he wants to relive that again. He's put loads of work into this. I know he's chuffed to bits with it. So obviously I've done the paint work for him. And I think it's just basically going to be an ornament in his house, something that he can look at and he can relive lots of memories that he's had as a child when he had one. So yeah, it's come together really well. I don't think there'll be many in as good a condition as this, or many left even. So yeah, he's saved one. It's another one saved as well. It's fantastic. The only thing is there's the foot pegs on it, so he's ordered original foot pegs. Funnily enough, he's found one in Northallerton, which is not far from where we live. And then another one, is he coming from, I can't remember what he said now, Blue Mountain or somewhere mountain. I don't know if it's America or Canada or somewhere where the other one's coming from. But yeah, it's looking really good. So I had to mask all that. Different colours on there to paint. Put the decals on. He spent a lot of time cleaning things up. He said that he's a bit, the only thing lets it down, he was saying, spokes. He's a bit disappointed with the spokes, but I mean, I think you'd struggle to get wheels. And what we've done so far, if he wanted to rebuild the wheels, he could do them later on, but we've got a basic good bike build here. New seat on it. There's lots and lots of new parts. But yeah, I think it looks absolutely cracking. Imagine being 8-year-old and finding one of them next to your Christmas tree. How lucky would you feel? Just turned it around to show you the other side. Looks absolutely awesome. That number 80 on the engine case looks mint. Absolutely mint. So yeah, Izzy, you've done a really good job of this build. I'd be really happy. I know you were pissed off when you started doing it. You've had your moments with it, but you're stuck in there and you've done a really, really good job. I'd be really chuffed with myself for doing a job like that. You don't do it all the time. You've done a really, really good job of that. I'd be proud of that, Izzy. And it's going to be a cool thing to have in your house. It's going to be a real cool thing to talk about when people come round and things. It's nice, smart. Just get a close-up of that engine. Yeah, absolutely stunning, that. I want one. So I'm going to get this loaded back up in the van and get it back to the customer. It's Christmas Eve and I've got loads to do. I'm in the middle of doing some work in the garage. That's why I've got a load of boards there, some improvements. So I'm going to end the video. Just want to say that I hope that your missus gets better, Izzy. I know she's had a bit of bad luck before Christmas, and I hope she gets better. And Also, I know that my dad watches these videos, so I just want to say to my dad, I hope you have a great Christmas. He's over in Australia. I've not seen him for a few years now. It's been a nightmare. It's getting harder for him to travel. So I just want to say to my dad and Maggie, my stepmom, and the rest of my family in Australia, I hope you all have a great Christmas, and hopefully I'll get over this coming year. Hopefully we'll get over and we'll come and see you, spend some time here because it's been quite a while. So fingers crossed, all will be good back here, and we'll be able to come over there and spend some time with you. So yeah, and Merry Christmas to everyone else, and I hope you all have a great Christmas day and a fantastic New Year. So I look forward to making lots more content for you to watch next year. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe, and I hope everyone's enjoying my videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.